My 2-minute conviction today is it's never too late to do the right thing. I mean, sure, there are consequences. There's an impact of getting it wrong, but it's never too late to do the right thing. As leaders and just as people, we will get it wrong often. You know, I think in my own story, I get the strategy wrong. I don't execute on the tactics right. I say the wrong thing to people. You know, I'm offensive with my impatience and sometimes careless with my words, and it causes hurt and it breaks relationship. You know, I get it wrong sometimes with the way I invest my money or all the other choices that I make. So often I can get it wrong. And it's good for me to remember that it's never too late to choose the right thing, because in my mistakes, in my errors, in my failings, in the tripping and the falling, I learn so much more about what I could have done, what I should have done. And rather than just consider it all a lost cause, today is an opportunity to do it right, to reset, to refresh, to try again, to have another go, to not consider all that failure as a foregone conclusion, but in fact, to learn from it and to choose today to do some of those things better. There's no doubt you might have to make amends for some of your mistakes. You might have to apologize to the people you've hurt. Like, there are consequences. But one of those consequences is not having to keep walking in that direction. We get the chance to choose again today. It's never too late to do the right thing. I believe in a God who forgives. I'd be lost without that. And sometimes we need to forgive ourselves, and we need to appreciate that the new opportunity starts now. It's today. So as leaders, as peoples, in our homes, in our businesses, with our teams, in community, it's never too late to do the right thing. And it's worth pondering what you think you might need to make some fresh decisions around today that align to your values, that are true to your convictions, that make the wrong thing more right as you take a step forward. Have a great week.